to make pancake for breakfast. Ingredients are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half cups of sugar and half cups of liquid milk, 3 raw eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, chopped onions, and pepper optional. Add the sugar and combine. Sprinkle the salt into the flour. Stir to combine with the flour. Pour in the milk. Whisk the egg. Pour in the whisked egg into the flour. Add your chopped onions and pepper into batter and stir and combine the batter properly. Apply some oil on your batter gradually. Keep turning it over. Serve with hot tea or coffee. Your guests will thank you for it.